Today we're going to do an algebraic fraction or rational expression, and I'll give you an example. Simplify x squared plus 6x minus 7 all over 49 minus x squared. What's the answer? That's what we'll know just in a few moments. So let's start with, this is the numerator. This is the numerator, and this is the denominator. So let's begin with the numerator, which is x squared plus 6x minus 7. In such scenario, don't touch your brain. Just use what we call factor method, and we use this whole number. We use the whole number, which is -7. Then use factor method. Ask yourself, which two numbers can I multiply and get -7? And the same number, since we also have a digit here which is 6, and the same numbers, when I add, I should get 6. So you have to think critically. In this scenario, let's think of +7 and -1. When you multiply +7 by -1, you get -7. As you know, the law says a positive, when you multiply by a negative, you get a negative. Is that right? A negative, when you multiply by a positive, you get a negative. So in this scenario, we are okay, because +7 times -1, you get -7. +7 and -1 is, this positive before a number is just like that number. So it's just like 7 minus 1 leads you back to 6. So what do we have? We have now solved this 6x minus 7. Now we still have this x squared. So x squared, we open the bracket, we take one x, we leave a space, we close the bracket, then we open another bracket, we put the other x. So this x times this x leads us back to x squared. Now we go to the factors. The first bracket, you write the +7, the first factor. The other bracket, you write -1. We are done with the numerator. As simple as that. Now let's go to the denominator. In denominator, we have 49 minus x squared. This is what we call a perfect square. What is a perfect square? This whereby we have a number you can multiply by itself to get that number. In this scenario, we can multiply 7 by itself to get 49. So that's like 7 squared, you go back to 49. Then minus x squared. Now this way we have a difference in squares. The law says, for example, when you have a squared minus b squared, when you simplify, it is the same as a plus b, then in the other bracket, a minus b. I hope you know that. So in this scenario, it will be the same as 7 plus x, then the other bracket is 7 minus x. We are done with the denominator. Now let's combine the numerator and the denominator. What was our numerator? This was our numerator. This one. So our numerator was x plus 7. Then the other bracket was x minus 1. Then our denominator was 7 plus x. Then the other bracket was 7 minus x. As you know, x plus 7 or a plus b, it is the same as b plus a. So x plus 7 is the same as 7 plus x. The other bracket is x minus 1 over 7 plus x. The other bracket is 7 minus x. We have seen some common factors. What are the common factors? We can cancel 7 plus x and 7 plus x. What do you remain with? The answer is x minus 1 all over 7 minus x. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe or you can follow me and I follow you back. Have a nice evening.